Why should your business choose Portable Generator Services to maintain your critical backup power generator? Is it because PGS has the highest Google rating for service and maintenance out of all the generator companies in the United States? Is it because we're an actual 24/7 company? Is it because we are trained and experienced on every make and model generator? Is it because I've worked side by side with the best technicians in the industry? Is it because I'm the owner creator of the largest generator manual library database in the world? Is it because I created and run the largest generator Facebook group for generator manuals and support with over 4,000 generator technicians? Is it because I have the support and mentorship of the best technicians in the industry, including Steve Ayers, Merritt Burus, Dan Decker, James Idice, John Vandegraff, Mike Stoltzfus, Nelson Rodriguez, and Michael Morrison? Or is it because I'm OSHA 10 certified, OSHA 30 certified, Generac air-cooled certified, Exit Journeyman certified, Level 3 Signet certified, Level 3 BTC Power certified, Level 3 ABB certified, 4-year electrical apprenticeship completed? Is it because the FBI of Margate use us, West Palm Beach Sheriff's Office use us, Surgery Center of Palm Beach Gardens, of Miami, of Key West, Truly Nolan, United Rentals? Or is it because we specialize and are experts in every aspect of power generation, from RV ONANs to marine Fisher Pandas to our specialty of industrial 2 megawatt units? I don't know. You tell me why everyone uses us.